freshly baked bread. This is not what the video is about, but I have to show off my skill at baking bread. Nice and soft. Welcome back. This could probably go up as a YouTube Shorts, but I've never put one up as a YouTube Short yet, so I don't know how to do that. And it is another one of those videos about growing food plants as house plants. I don't see many, actually I don't know of any YouTubers that do that yet. What I have here is, of course, when you grow a plant in a pot, it'll eventually use up the nutrients that's in the soil, and somehow you have to replenish those nutrients, which is usually just feeding them with some kind of water-soluble fertilizer, which is usually artificial, which is what I was trying to avoid, and I haven't figured that out yet. However, a while back I done a video about, I took this one out and I replaced the soil as much as I could. I guess it wasn't very fertile soil that I put in there, and so not long ago it started to fade and the whole plant turned yellow, and I was thinking, what can I do about it? Because the problem with, say, compost tea or fish emulsion or something is the smell, and you don't want that smell in the house. So I did look around the house and see what I had. I did have some of these. They call them tree spikes. So it's a lump of water-soluble fertilizer, but it's slow release. I broke one in half and I poked it down into the soil for this plant right here. I wasn't early enough to save the foliage. Every leaf has died, but the plant itself didn't die. All of these healthy green leaves you see, that's new growth after I put that spike in there. And so now I'm going to remove all the dead stuff and let this plant grow back again. I'm still not happy with the fact that I have to use something like that, but I don't have another solution, and as you know, I want to keep plants growing in the house all winter. So I guess for now that's what I'm going to have to do. And at some point, if there's a solution, I'll find it. Okay, got it cleaned back, and it is producing flowers again. And that's the mess I cleaned off. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.